Hey, it's meteorologist Cory Reppenhagen here with the 9 News Weather Impact Team with a look at your very warm forecast. We will start out a little bit on the cool side, of course, on Saturday morning with those temperatures in the 20s, but we'll rebound once again very nicely into the 60s. Could even make a run at 70 degrees again in some spots here. Eastern Plains, Front Range, all looking good. Some 50s up on the board there in Summit County for your day tomorrow. So we're switching seasons because Saturday will be the first day of spring when it comes to meteorological records because we don't use the astronomical calendar because the equinox happens on different days every year. So March, April, May, straight up 3 months of spring, which also means we can close the door on winter now because February 28th is the last day of winter this year. And believe it or not, the average temperature for this winter turned out to be just a tad over the average temperature. So it will officially be a warmer than normal winter, which may be strange to some of you, knowing that we just had 3 very substantial Arctic cold fronts this year, 1 in January and 2 in February. But we do have that, and it breaks up what's been a really kind of a cool pattern here. 2018, 2019 was a cold winter. Then we had a warm one, a cold one, a warm one, a cold one, a very warm one. And then this kind of breaks up that stretch now that we have 2 consecutive warmer than normal winters on our hands here. As far as the day here going through your Saturday, everyone's going to have mostly sunny skies across the state of Colorado all day long on Saturday with just a little bit of cloud cover moving in the evening, and then through the day on Sunday we'll see a little bit more cloud cover as a storm system rolls down through the south of Colorado, but the temperatures here on Saturday looking really warm, and Sunday will also be another warm day in the 60s. On the weather pattern here, this is the modeling. It shows this ridge of high pressure here that has been keeping us warm and dry. Here's that little storm system that's coming through the bottom of the state here on Sunday, bringing some clouds and maybe a little bit of precipitation in southern Colorado, but it looks like pretty small, and it's going to stay south there. But this is what we really have our eyes on. This gets your attention when something comes like this in the March modeling here. A big, broad, deep diving trough here down into the Baja Peninsula of Mexico, tapping into the Pacific moisture and also the moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, and it will try to deposit all that moisture right on the lee side of the Colorado Rockies. Temperatures are going to be iffy, just like any March storm, so I think we have a good chance of starting out as rain here on the Front Range here on Monday night, switching to snow as we go through the overnight hours, and through the morning hours on Sunday, on Tuesday, we could have several hours of very heavy, wet snow here in the area. Usually in the Denver area, that doesn't mean too much impact because at the temperatures of like 31 degrees, it doesn't really have a high impact to the roads, mostly slush, maybe some accumulation when it's really heavy, but it's the higher suburbs that we'll be watching very closely as that snow has a tendency to stick to the roads a little bit better. So there's a lot of potential with this storm out there. When it looks at the snowfall modeling here, we do have a bullseye, a big 20-inch bullseye here, as you might expect to see from a storm like this. The most recent modeling has it down here on the Palmer Divide. We have seen it a few times in the foothills. We have also seen it a few times out on the Eastern Plains. So it is still a moving target. It could very well end up being Denver that gets this. So we'll have to watch it very closely as we go through the next couple of days. A storm like that, you really don't have any solid probabilities here until about 36 hours out. So Sunday night, we may have a little bit better idea of some more details there, but we do have enough information already to put a weather impact alert out for Tuesday morning for the potential for heavy snow. Someone in our area will get some heavy snow out of this. So rain there on Monday night. And then we do have one more storm system coming here Thursday into Friday that we'll also have to watch before it looks like both of those storms will roll out of there before we get to next weekend. That's a look at your forecast. I hope you all have a great day.